Hello and welcome back to the new video of The Hungry Artist. So this is our World Cuisine Week and today we're going to make an Italian appetizer, Bruschetta al pomodoro. So this humble dish was actually invented by Italian farmers and this is basically known as bruschetta, not bruschetta. Its first version doesn't include tomatoes but still was a superhero. But then tomatoes came in and Italians decided to do something beautiful, and thus bruschetta al pomodoro was born. And a true love story of bread meeting tomatoes sprinkled with basil and garlic with the drizzle of olive oil started. The classic topping of bruschetta is mixed with tomatoes, garlic, basil leaves and extra virgin olive oil, but you can feel free to add extra toppings you need. So first we have diced the tomatoes and then I have finely chopped the garlic cloves. And now it's time for basil leaves. So the best way you can cut the basil leaves is to roll them up and then chop them finely. And trust me, this tastes amazing. And now with these chopped tomatoes, garlic and basil leaf, we're going to prepare the bruschetta filling. So all you need to do is mix them up with a pinch of salt and black pepper and toss them properly. So now in the pan I'm using some extra virgin olive oil to fry the filling of bruschetta. So it's time for cutting the bread. Here I'm not using the bruschetta bread because I'm not having one, but definitely I found a good substitute. So I'm using this, and this is the way we're going to cut the bruschetta bread. I mean, like not straight but little vertically. And now you can see this is how it looks. So the next step is to toast these bread crispy. And for that I'm using a pan and pouring some extra virgin olive oil to toast the breads. Remember, we need to toast the bread until it's golden brown and crisp, but not like crunchy enough to break your own teeth. So now the best part comes, rubbing the toast. All you need a garlic clove and that crispy toast. And this is where the magic happens. You should smell that garlic clove with the hot crispy bread, and if you're not smelling it, you are definitely going wrong. And now it's time for plating. So give your hands the art of Picasso and create your masterpiece. For a little fancy look, you can even sprinkle some cheese. So next time, if you crave for a snack, fire up the grill, grab some tomatoes and give your stale bread the VIP treatment it deserves. Okay, thank you and bye-bye. Take care.